just know I'll be looking right back down at you, baby.
Welcome back, my friend. This is your host, Neil Cross, playing Knockout City. It's been a while, and I still don't have my internet back, but I managed to put my, let's say, my antenna a little bit closer to the router, so this is somewhat playable. Oh, sorry. Everyone has moon gravity. Okay. Oh, interesting. I was trying to grab that one. It's been how long since I played? Maybe a month? And also I'm using a new mouse, so it should be even harder. And why did I do that? Well, it doesn't matter. Oh, my Andy grab didn't work. Oh no. And yeah, we're listening to anime music. Oh, this is so weird to play with this. No! Come on! Come on! Oh, that was trash. No, even with moon gravity. Okay, don't worry. I'm still getting used to the mouse specifically. There you go. There you go. Ah, no. Come on. Ooh, that was close. No, the moon gravity is a ruin, actually. Whoa! Come on. No, it didn't let me jump. It just threw me down. That's laggy. Yeah, I still have some lag. Why does the pizzas? Okay, I need to investigate the situation. Yes, sir. 1 second, he need that one. Oh ho! Oh hoi! Don't worry. Oh, nice! There you go. I got that one. Nice for a heating up match. There you go. Haha. No, no, no. No, I didn't track into the person. Oh, interesting. Oh, nice. It's been quite a while and this mouse feels so weird, specifically because I was using the Logitech 502, but the problem is that the Logitech 502, the skates are kinda not very skatey, not very gliding. Whoa, 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 can I? Oh, nice. I think a couple of matches will hit me up. I haven't played maybe a month. And the dojo. Nice. Nice. Go. GG. So. No, whoa! You see the lag? How it's freaking me out there. Oh my gosh. Nice. Oh, nice. No. Whoa. No, no. Ah, lucky, the lag didn't let me jump there. What the crap? I was glued back down. Kinda Hisoka power, don't you think? Ah, there we go, another dodge that didn't work there. Ah, come on, internet, please stop doing me this. I'm afraid jumping, specifically, because jumping kinda ruins the... GG, so... Aha, I have a teammate right behind me. Calm down, charge me, full charge me. Yes. Okay, I was expecting you to throw me, but...
Pass to me.
Oh, never mind. Grab this one. GG's. No. Ooh, let me grab the pizza. Hi. Where is another pizza? GG. Maybe one match is good enough to hit me up. I mean, you never forget how to ride a bike, right? You never forget how to throw a ball. You cannot forget how to catch it though. It's been a while since I played this. All those videos, I did have a big stock of Knockout City videos that I wanted to use before anything else. And I really wanted to come back to this game with a live. I'm playing live almost every day, but since I don't have my internet yet, I cannot do that. The game is already finicky enough for me with this internet that doing a live will be bad performance, bad show, and probably the live might even cut at some point or multiple times. So none of us want that. I don't want to be restarting the live, you don't want to be waiting me to restart the live, so a little bit of patience, you will have the best content possible. Trust me. I'm doing my best for you, for the content, for the channel, and well, this is for entertaining you guys, so I'll see you guys on that one. And looks like we got another match. What? And a match in progress. What? Okay. Oh, okay. So it's not even gonna have the chance to cut, but that is actually a good thing, because that means we have everyone slides on ice. Oh no. Everyone slides on ice. Well, that was an interesting thing. Oh, nice catch there. Ah, GG's. Nice catch, nice throw, I want to say. The slide on ice. I mean, I want them to make it. Oh no! Why did they pull? I didn't track into my teammate. Wait 1 second. Ooh, balling up is not a bad idea actually. Oh, nice. There's a ball there. We lost the ball there. No, 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 no. Oh, nice. Oh, I see the lago. This is annoying. Oh, you got it. This is quite annoying. Did you got the ball? Ah, he got the ball. Okay, let me see. Ah! This is not very. Okay. Nice. Hiya. Okay, so I see. The best thing you can do. Oh, pizza. Can I get the pizza? Thank you. Ah! This is horrible! Ah! I cannot move! Okay, the trick is... Oh no, the trick is jumping. I say jumping because the friction shouldn't do anything. Nice. Oh. Oh, nice. Ah! The slide of nice is something I was not expecting. Okay. There we go. And the last 2 seconds, just like a movie, just like an anime. Not bad, but the holy crap, the skating, the flooring is horrible like that. No me gusta, no me gusta. Everyone moves faster in ball form, okay. Oh, holy crap, I see. Dude, this is nice. Lucky you got no lag, my friend. Dude, why is my dash not working? Oh, come on, please. I need to work way harder than... Yes, sir. Ah, it don't let me jump. Here you go. Here you go. Use it. Oh, lucky, lucky. The other one was waiting for it. Does it feel more? Oh, seriously, another time the dodge didn't dodge. And my character just, again, dodged in place. And that's pure lag freaking me up. All those beautiful plays are being ruined by this horrible internet. Nice. No. Nice. Okay, no ball there. No worry. No escapes. Oh! And I catch it. I caught it and still didn't count as catch. Oh no. Well, I guess a couple of wins with very bad internet is still inbound. I mean, look at from my perspective. I knew I'm gonna have troubles playing this game right now with the internet I have. But I don't have a choice because I want to play it, and when you want to play it, you don't care about your performance, you don't care about how good or bad you are, you just want to play. And lucky for me, I have a lot of experience behind me, so that helps a lot too. But the internet is kind of freaking me up really bad. But that's what Anime's Heroes does, no? We go against the most horrible situations. We win against the most horrible situations. And we lose in the worst and most horrible situations also. So, never give up, never surrender. You always can use one way or another to overcome your problems or whatever difficulties you have. Remember, I'm gonna be recording more Knockout City again, Season 7, but the performance might not be the best until I have my internet. It's taking a little while, but it's gonna be soon. So, I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember, I'll be recording and official creator for Knockout City. I'll see you guys on the next one, and catch ya!